Namaste. Today we will analyze the chart of a native who is having issues in business, meaning there is no stability in business and also he is not able to save much. So, whenever we talk about business, we look at this seventh house. So, in this case, we will analyze the seventh cuspal sublord. So, we can see here that the seventh cuspal sublord is Saturn. Now, Saturn is in the fourth house, owns the eighth and ninth house. Okay, and Saturn is also giving the results of Moon, which is 1 and 2. Moon is in the first house, owns the second house. So, when we look at the overall perspective of Saturn, also please keep in mind that Saturn is untenanted. Saturn is giving results of 8th house as well. So, there will be some kind of difficulty that the native will face in terms of business. See, business is promised. When we analyze the entire uh, planet, meaning Saturn as such, we can see that Saturn is conjunct with Jupiter. Saturn is also conjunct with Venus. So when we analyze all the three as a unit, we know that the business is promised, but it will come with challenges because the eighth house is signified by Saturn. Now, unfortunately, the native has not mentioned the type of business he's doing, right? So we don't know whether it is connected to Saturn or it's connected to some other planet. If it is Saturn and the eighth house is utilized, the impact would be minimized. But if this business the native is doing is not connected to Saturn nor the eighth house is utilized, yes, there will be challenges in business. Now, having said that, seventh CSL Saturn, when we analyze it in planet to house aspects, you can also see that Saturn is disturbing the seventh house. Seventh house is the house of business. So, obviously, the seventh CSL in this chart itself is disturbing the seventh house. Not only that, you will also notice that Jupiter is also troubling the seventh house. So, there will be issues connected to business, right? And the native has also mentioned that he is not able to save. Let's go back to houses. You can also see that the second CSL is Saturn. So in this case, both business as well as finances are controlled by Saturn, and Saturn is actually giving results of 8th house. So there will be some issues. 8th house represents pain, right? So there will be some issues connected to business as well as finances. Now, having said this, yes, business is promised, but there are also issues. Now, having discussed all of this, let's see what kind of remedies the native can implement in order to minimize the impact, right? So, the first thing I would suggest would be please worship Goddess Lakshmi and also Goddess Parvati on a daily basis. That will help you a lot. The second thing would also be please serve dogs, right? You can also donate to a dog shelter. If you can't serve dogs directly wherever you are staying, you can donate to a dog shelter and let them do the job. But please keep it a secret. In the sense, do not make announcements that I am donating to so and so. No need to mention that. You can just keep it simple, do the donation, and leave it at that. Third one I can also recommend is please worship Lord Dakshinamurti. Again, this also needs to be done on a daily basis. Lord Dakshinamurti is connected to Jupiter, and Jupiter in this case you can see is troubling the seventh house. So that will also get you will get relief from that. The fourth remedy that I can recommend is please see if you can give foot massage to your parents, right? Because if you see, Saturn is in the fourth house and also owns the ninth house. Saturn represents our feet, and fourth house is connected to mother, ninth house is connected to father. So that way you will start using Saturn in a very positive way. And the last remedy that I can recommend would be please see if you can get into yoga. You need to do yoga, and especially if you can do Ashtanga yoga, that will be very helpful for you, not only in terms of business but also in terms of improving your second house. So I hope these things help you. God bless you. Thank you.